You gotta like use your imagination, think of anything possible.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Hey Arlen, tonight's Adam Harris here, your head of communications and storytelling. I'm with Jaden and Alex. Say hi.
Hello.
So we're at Thomas, and they're in their CMA class. What does that stand for?
Communication Media Arts.
Communication Media Arts. And let me have them tell you what they're doing. What are you guys doing?
We're filming an ad for Noodles Company.
Okay, so your assignment was film an ad.
Yeah.
So what is your idea? Like this, it's a tough assignment because there's really not much like direction given besides film an ad, right?
Yeah.
So what is your idea and how did you collaborate to come up with this idea?
So we thought of playing basketball to make us like hungry after a game. Then we can go to Noodles and Company and get some food and refill our energy.
Cool. So you wanted to find a like, okay, why would someone want to go there?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And you thought being hungry after a game, basketball, cool. So how are you doing that? Like what sort of skills are you learning through this class, and what sort of skills are you learning through filming this ad?
Filming and planning for it.
Like you're using the camera behind you, right?
Yeah.
Why do you like this class?
Yeah, I enjoy it.
Why do you like it?
It's kind of fun to connect and film with each other and having fun.
Yeah.
And creating the stuff with it too.
Yeah.
Okay, so I like that aspect too, like the idea of creation. Is it intimidating to do?
Well, sometimes, yeah.
What makes it intimidating?
Because it's just hard to create ideas out of thin air, and it also takes a lot of work to create something piece by piece with the filming.
Yeah.
I totally agree with that. Okay, so for anybody out there that hasn't really ever done this or thinks it's intimidating but doesn't know how to start, like what advice would you give them?
You gotta like use your imagination, think of anything possible.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Is there anything else you want to say about the class, like itself, or like what about like a sixth grader coming in that is thinking of taking it, or like what would you say to that sixth grader or seventh grader that hasn't taken it?
I'll tell them that it's a really fun class to learn about like filming. You can also like do like photography in it. It's really fun.
What would you say to the sixth grader?
To not get nervous about not knowing what to create, because you'll probably be able to find something anyway and just enjoy it about the process.
And I noticed you guys both like basketball.
Yeah.
So you found inspiration from something you like.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's cool. All right, is there anything else you want to say? All right, you want to just say goodbye?
All right. See ya.
Bye.
Later.